Meaning of explosively.
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 Explosively. The word explosively refers to something happening or occurring in a sudden, rapid, and powerful way, often with a significant amount of force or energy released. It can describe the result of an event that happens rapidly and dramatically, such as an explosion or an outbreak of violence. The effects of an explosive event can be devastating, causing destruction and chaos to people and surrounding areas. Explosive reactions can also occur on a smaller scale, such as in chemistry experiments or athletic performances, where sudden bursts of energy are required for success.